Welcome to the Rich Club channel. Please watch the video to the end, and if you like it, support the channel with a like and subscribe. Let's go. In this video, you will learn why XRP will rise to $10. So before the video starts, write in the comments how much the XRP token will cost in a month. To the one who guesses, we will transfer 1,000 tokens. You will also need to like and subscribe. Press the bell, so you don't miss your profit in it again. In the new issue of the animated series The Simpsons on April 11th, the authors of the picture predicted an endless increase in the price of XRP. This was noticed by Reddit users. The episode is about speculation in the financial markets. On one of the frames, a running line with quotes appears, in which there is an infinity sign opposite XRP. The Simpsons predicted an endless rise in the price of XRP. Often, events from the animated series are brought to life. For example, in one of the series in 2000, the authors called the former US President Donald Trump. It is noteworthy that in February 2020, the authors of the animated series already released an entire episode dedicated to cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology called Litecoin. This was mentioned by the head of Binance, Changpeng Zhao. Previously, the writers of The Simpsons have already made several successful predictions. For example, in one of the episodes from 2000, the former US president was called Donald Trump. Also in the running line of the new cartoon series, stock quotes of GameStop video game stores appear. The company's stock price increases by $1 trillion, and then immediately falls by $2 trillion. So the authors of the animated series recalled the pump of GameStop shares, which was caused by the movement of Wall Street bets on Reddit. Unfortunately, it moves slowly, Garlinghouse added. I'm hopeful that as a new SEC administration comes, it sees that there's an opportunity to kind of revisit some of the previous administration's decisions. In Southeast Asia, one of our fastest growing segments, we see activity growth 10x year-on-year, Garlinghouse said. The company saw 40% quarter-on-quarter growth in terms of transactions across the network last year, but growth slowed after the SEC filed its lawsuit against Ripple in December 2020, alleging that its sale of XRP was an unregistered securities offering worth over $1.38 billion. Following the SEC lawsuit, many US exchanges delisted XRP, and MoneyGram, the world's second-largest money transfer service, also suspended its partnership with Ripple. MoneyGram and Ripple had a consequential relationship of about a couple $1 billion of on-demand liquidity transactions, Garlinghouse said. We paused that partnership in hopes of getting regulatory clarity. As Ripple sought details from foreign exchanges over XRP investors to cement their position, Interhomes Online stated that this helps the personal case from SEC against Chris Larson and Brad Garlinghouse. The good news was the court did grant Ripple's motion, Garlinghouse said, referring to the court order compelling the SEC to share its confidential internal communications over XRP, Bitcoin and Ethereum. The SEC is seeking 6 additional depositions and records on 5 more custodians, including former Ripple employees and Christian Gill, the co-founder of crypto trading firm and liquidity provider GSR. The SEC also wants Ripple to produce information on its XRP transactions, following the filing of its complaint against the company last December, as well as on its lobbying efforts. It's really the first time the SEC has been ordered by a court to be transparent about this. Investors are now questioning if XRP futures will ever be able to recover to a multi-billion market. Were April's figures inflated by excessive leverage, or is it just a matter of time until it rebounds to the previous levels? It would seem that no other day is complete without a major development in the ongoing case between Ripple Labs and the SEC. All we've asked for 2 to 3 years, is that regulatory clarity, and so I think this is progress. Ripple's growth has slowed in large part due to the US Securities and Exchange Commission's lawsuit against the company, but it is pushing ahead to expand its payments business globally, said Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse today. How much will XRP cost at the end of 2021? Write your opinion in the comments, and do not forget about the likes.